everyone. So I decided to do a toe art design video this week, and I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with AngelsHeavenlyNails, and we decided to do a full set of videos this week. We decided to do a toe art design, the nail art design, and then you will see the outfit of the day as well. So this is going to be my toe art design. We decided to do a theme of floral, something like a spring and floral design, but blingy as well. So I decided to do my toe art design today. So this is basically the beginning stages. I decided to do like just a plain French on the rest of my toes, mainly because the shoes I'm wearing, I don't think you're going to be able to see anything, maybe possibly but my big toe, maybe. And that's basically it. So I decided not to do a design on the rest of my toes. I decided to do it mainly on my big toe. The first thing I did, as you can see, I have a French manicure on my toes. The rest of the design I'm going to be actually hand painting. But before I start hand painting, I want to show you the design that AngelsHeavenlyNails came up with. So this is a toe art design that she did. I'm going to begin and show you the design that I'm going to be doing. And her design came out really, really pretty, I think. She did a lovely job. So this is the design that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using quite a few different acrylic paints, and I have some Swarovski crystals that I'm going to be applying with nail art glue, with the kids' nail art glue as well. So this is the glue I'll be using to apply my crystals. Basically, I'm going to do a hand painting. I'm going to top coat with Sèche Vite, and then after it dry, I'm going to apply the crystals on top. The colors that I'll be using, I have quite a few different colors. This is what my color palette look like. I have like a rosy pink. I have green. I have red and yellow. I have yellow and white mixed together to make it lighter. I have blue and white together to make it a lighter blue. I have a neon blue, and I have like a hunter green. So those are all the colors I'll be using, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, I had a little time on my hand this week, so I decided to include a toe art video in this week's designs. Now for the rest of the weeks after this, I don't know if I'll have time to do a toe art design. If I do, I'll have one posted on Thursdays. If not, I won't be doing one. But hopefully I'll have a little time. that is basically it for this toe design. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.